Welcome to Assembly Town. It's election time here, and everyone's talking about whether they can vote. Are you registered to vote? Meet Fred. He's not sure if he's registered to vote, so he's going to check with the local council. Like Fred, you can find out who to contact by putting your postcode into the Electoral Commission's website. Fred wasn't registered, so they sent him an application form in the post. You can also download a form from the Electoral Commission's website. All you have to do is fill in the form and post it back to your local election office, like Fred is. Then just think about who you want to give your vote to.
This year, the people of Wales will have 3 opportunities to vote. To find out more, visit vote2011.org.